Hi, everybody. Good morning. It's Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. Good morning, students. It's the last day of March. Tomorrow will be April 1st, which is April Fool's Day. Ooh, I wonder if there'll be any tricks being played tomorrow. I am loving the spring weather. Have you noticed any signs of spring? That's our question for today. You can comment with a picture that you take of a sign of spring from around your neighborhood or your yard. Or if you just want to look out your window or think of a sign of spring, you can type a word on the comment of this post. I miss you guys, Mrs. Feldkamp. To get us started today, I took some pictures from my own neighborhood of signs of spring that my family and I saw um, just today or yesterday, Monday. So in this picture, do you see little flower plants sprouting out of the dirt? These are tulips. They grow from a bulb. And right here is what they look like when they bloom in a few weeks. So you can kind of see the little brownish, reddish sprouts coming out. This pond is on a golf course by my house, and it's not frozen anymore finally. Do you see something swimming in it? It's this dot right here. It was kind of far away. Here's your hint. Quack. Maybe you've seen some of those animals around your neighborhood too. And then on our walk, we saw that the trees are starting to bud. The buds will eventually grow into leaves, and everything will look nice and green. Lilies are starting to pop up in my front yard, so you can see these little green sprouts will eventually turn into orange flowers by the summertime. And then here's a picture of my daughter riding her bike on a walk. What outdoor activities can you do in the spring? What have you guys been up to? Hopefully you've been getting outside a lot. Lastly, this morning I have a short read aloud that I put on my slideshow, so hopefully you can see the pictures even better than you did yesterday, and the book is called Spring. This is a book that I have in our classroom that I would normally be reading to you in real life right around the same time of year. Winter is coming to an end, snow starts to melt, and almond trees bloom. It is springtime. The weather is a little crazy. It is sunny, it rains, sometimes it even hails, and then a rainbow appears in the sky. Can you count how many colors it has? How many colors do you see? That's something you can be doing at home. The weather's been a little crazy. We've had some gloomy days, some beautiful days, even a thunderstorm the other night, and that is all characteristic of springtime. The sun rises earlier and sets a little later. That's been nice, hasn't it? It gets warmer and warmer. What time do you go to school? What time do you get off? Well, that's kind of a silly question for us right now, but see if you can figure out what time we used to go to school and get off. Flowers appear everywhere and trees grow leaves again. Everything is full of color. What color are all these flowers? In the fields, farmers start sowing. With water and heat from the sun, each seed will become a new plant. Swallows come back looking for the nests they abandoned in the fall. Do you know what the nests are made of? You can kind of see them right here under the roof. Maybe you've seen some birds' nests before in trees or in rafters or something in your neighborhood. On the farm, many animals are born, and they follow their mothers everywhere. Some come from their mother's belly, and others are born from an egg. See if you can guess how these little animals were born. Bees love spring. They fly from flower to flower, and they make delicious honey with the nectar they pick up. How many legs do they have? Do you know they're an insect? So think about that and talk it over with your families if you get a chance. It is time to take care of plants at home, at the park, and also to rearrange your closet. You have outgrown your clothes from last year for sure. We are finding that out at my house right now. I'm having to do that with one of my daughter's clothes. And lastly, how about taking an excursion into the woods? You may find many different insects there. Spring is great. We're just starting to see in Minnesota some insects come out, not too many yet. I don't know about you guys, but my family's been taking lots of walks and hikes since we've been kind of stuck at home lately. So anyway, my question for you today is, have you seen any signs of spring? And if you have and you're able to take a picture, please post it in the comments for everybody to see, and I'll enjoy looking at all the sunny spring pictures that you want to send to me. Have a great rest of your day. Make sure you do your choice board activities, and I will see you tomorrow.